guys, Alex Wolf here, and we want you to meet our newest member of the band, Christina!
It's exciting to be the newest member of the Naked Brothers band. I auditioned for the band in a reality show. Hi, I'm Christina from the Bronx, and I would like to be a part of the Naked Brothers band. And in the end, they finally chose me. I started playing bass a few years ago, and now I'm a rock and bass player.
Hey, she does have the chops.
Christina is a really nice person. She's from the Bronx, so she's definitely got a really spunky attitude.
Gotcha, girlfriend.
Christina fit in right away.
Hey guys, I made cookies to celebrate our first rehearsal.
Cookies. We like the cookies.
I shouldn't have brought them in. It was unprofessional.
But Nat, he sort of had to get used to her a little bit more just because of what happened between him and Rosalina.
I'm sorry. You're a great bass player. The band's lucky to have you.
It's not funny. No, come on, don't do that.
I kind of do have a crush on Nat, but we try to keep it a secret, so. At first, I was a little nervous because I thought that they weren't going to like me and I wasn't going to fit in, but now it's really fun and I love it.